네, 저도 잘 지냈어요. And I'm back again with another Korean grammar lesson video here. So today I'm going to describe the A and SO particles. What are they, what are their uses, and how you're going to use in your sentence structure of Korean language. So here this is. So without any delay, let's dive right in. So these two particles plays a vital role in making sentences. So suppose I want to describe my location where I am at, or I'm going somewhere, I'm going to use A and SO particle in that situation. So these two particles mainly indicate the location of an action or an event. So in English, you may have heard about in, at, on type of location particles. So similarly in Korean language, in place of in, on and at, we are going to use in SO particle. Firstly, I am going to start with a particle. So the definition of this particle is that it is used to indicate the location of an event or where an action takes place. So for example, I am going to the park. So in Korean, you would say 나는 공원에 갈 거야. 나는 공원에 갈 거예요. Here you can see I am going to the park. So I am taking my action towards park. So along with the location park, I am going to add a particle A. So 공원 plus A makes the sentence complete that I am going to the park. Some further example to understand better a particle, I am going to demonstrate this Korean conversation here for you. 지금이 어디예요? 지금이 어디예요? 회사예요. 회사예요. So suppose you are asking someone that where are you right now? So they want to describe their location. So here they will be using location noun plus a particle then their verb. So it is simply location plus a particle plus verb formula of Korean grammar structure. So they are saying 회사예요. So they are working at their company right now. 회사예요. So suppose you are at your home. So you are going to answer simply 집에예요. And suppose you are asking someone else. 다니엘씨 집에 가요? 아니에요. 아니요. 세종학당에 가요. So they are saying, they are declining that they are not going to their home, but they are going to somewhere else. So they are simply using a particle with their location. Similarly, in the above examples, I have explained to you. 쉽죠? So this is really easy if you are going to understand the depth of Korean grammar. So you have to simply follow location plus a particle plus verb formula always to format your sentence in Korean. For exercise, I am putting a question here for you. 마크씨, 집에 가요? And if you are going to answer in yes, you are going to say 네, 집에 가요. But if you are going to decline that, you are going to say 아니요. Your preferred location, suppose I am going to park, 아니요, 공원에 가요. So this is how you are going to answer that in Korean with the help of a particle. Another simple example is 지금 어디에 가요? 배고파요. 배고파요. 그래서 식당에 가요. So here the narrator is explaining that they are very hungry, so they are going to a restaurant to eat some good food, and they are finding a new restaurant right now, so they are using a particle along with 식당 location. So this is the easiest way to use a particle. Now we are moving toward the SO particle. So what is the real difference between A and SO particle? Although SO indicates the same location now, but the use is quite different. So whenever you are using SO particle, you are stressing about what you did, where you were going at that present location, and right now you are coming to which locations. So this is going to denote the action you have done between these two locations. So this is a little bit tricky and will take you some good example to understand the real meaning. 지하철에 여기에서 택시를 탔어요. 지하철에 여기에서 택시를 탔어요. So here you can see I'm saying I took a taxi from the subway station. So from the subway station, so I'm denoting my location and what I have done towards that location. So I took a taxi there. So I'm using 여기에서 택시를 에서. So I have used SO particle in this sentence specifically. So to specifically denote what you have, whatever action you have done towards that location, you are always going to use SO particle along with that. 어제 학교에서 친구를 만났어요. 어제 학교에서 친구를 만났어요. I met my friend at school yesterday. So by using this particle, you can communicate better whether you are trying to explain your situation at that particular location, and whenever you are going to use a particular location in your Korean sentence structure. So these are the easiest and simplest techniques to learn A and SO particle in your Korean grammar lessons, and I hope you will practice more and continue with your Korean journey. So that's it for today, guys. 수고하세요. 다음에 꼭 만나요. Let's meet next time. Bye bye. 잘 가요. 구독, 좋아요, 알람 설정 부탁드려요.